Hi everyone, I'm Damien from Graphico. Welcome back to the Friday Wrap. First up, we love branding vehicles at Graphico, and our team have been busy designing and producing these custom print graphics for our good friends at Marino Bros. The brightly coloured fruit design can't be missed, and we've also wrapped the rear of the van in a gloss bright lime green for the ultimate branding tool to get you noticed on the road. You have to advertise in these times, and your blank vehicles are a fantastic way to show off your brand. Finally, we're back at Phillip Island for Charity Drive Days, which we sponsor every year, having loads of fun on track and off track. I even hopped in the latest McLaren Artura for a test drive, which was absolutely amazing, of course, all whilst raising heaps of dollars for Challenge Kids with Cancer and other deserving charities. We donated a bootload of our popular Graphico frame prints, which was super popular at the charity auction, raising thousands of dollars thanks to master auctioneer Daniel DeCisi from Noel Jones. We drove down in a cool retro 90s W124 Benz Cabrio, which is far from a track car, but with the sun shining, we certainly still had a cracking time and can't wait for the next event in May 2024. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to contact our team to get your project started.